How did we go from math to... Let's start at the beginning. Einstein's equation reveals mass can be converted into energy. Nuclear fission is a process that splits atoms, releasing energy and neutrons. When certain isotopes undergo fission, the released neutrons can trigger additional fission reactions, creating a continuous and self-sustained release of energy. Uranium-235 and plutonium-239 are two such isotopes. Enriching uranium boosts fissile isotopes, which is crucial for sustained reactions. Implementing an implosion or gun-type trigger allows the reaction to begin. Detonation. The release of energy creates a powerful shockwave, causing destruction, widespread fires, and long-term environmental contamination.